Hi, it's Tina Bennett, and the holidays are just around the corner for all of us. This is a reminder after I heard a wonderful woman talk about immigration today to remind all of you lonely men, don't go on the internet and meet somebody, fall in love in quotation marks with that internet specter of somebody from the Eastern European bloc or somewhere else. Because immigration, when it comes to being married in New York State and probably not other countries, other states of the United States, that means you have a forever spouse. And through my experience, I've recognized that most of the people that marry and fall in love because they were lonely and they couldn't find somebody locally, they end up having somebody who's very skilled at getting around the immigration process of being here for a certain amount of time and going through all the regular processes. It's called using domestic violence to their advantage. So I just want to set that warning because it's the holidays. All of my clients out there, I hope you're not using the internet looking for love overseas and you're looking for love locally, because you will look for a lot of trouble and financial heartbreak, including emotional heartbreak. So it's Tina Bennett, and hope you have a happy holiday. Stay off the net.